Bihar will host the 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games 2025 from 4th to 15th May. The games will be organized at various cities including Patna, Gaya, Rajgir, Begusarai and Bhagalpur. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and Union Sports Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia unveiled the mascot and logo of Khelo India Youth Games 2025. The mascot Khelo India will be Gadsimha, which symbolizes the power of elephant and heart of lion. The mascot has been derived from the archival heritage of Pala dynasty from Nalanda and Bodh Gaya engraved on temples and their pillars. The logo of KIC 2025 has been inspired from the rich cultural heritage of Bihar and the colors orange and depicts enthusiasm and nature. Director General of Bihar State Sports Authority Ravindran Shankaran said more than 8,500 players of different disciplines will attend the Sports Carnival, which is the second biggest sports event after the national games in the country. In the event, which is going to be held in the first fortnight of next month, more than 10,000 athletes and delegates will attend. Besides regular games of volleyball, football, basketball, boxing, Kabaddi, 18 different events of athletics and Sepak Takraw will be held during the games. Around 27 disciplines of different sports indigenous games like Malkham will also be part of the KIC games. Since its inception, the KIC has functioned as a launching pad for India's budding stars. Under the scheme, 1,000 athletes are awarded an annual scholarship of Rs 5 lakh for 8 years to help prepare them for international competitions. The government has also announced that medal winners at Khelo India events will be eligible for government jobs, providing further incentive for youth to pursue sports professionally. Esports will make its debut in this year's KIC. This development follows the inclusion of esports for a second consecutive time as an official medal sport at the Asian Games in 2026. With the sport set to make its debut in the Olympics in 2027, during the inaugural Olympics Esports Games, this inclusion further solidifies its status in India, placing it on par with traditional sports. Each edition of the Khelo India Youth Games serves as a pathway to the Olympic podium, providing athletes with early exposure to multisport environments and a national-level platform for talent identification.